curl your short wigs or your short hair, and the reasons why your curls might not be holding. So if you want to see how I'm going to achieve this look, please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, so anytime I upload a new video you will always get a notification. Your curls might not hold when you have too much oil on the hair or leave-in conditioner. Make sure you wash the hair, let the hair dry, and use products that are designed to put in curls to your hair. I'm going to be using heat protector. Heat protector will protect your hair from heat damage. It works to smoothen the hair cuticle, making your hair to feel soft and smooth. Holding spray. This will allow the curls to hold and last for a longer time. One thing you have to bear in mind when curling your short wigs or short hair is where the curls are going. As you can see, I'm not curling the hair in one direction. I'm curling one of the hair towards our face and the other one away from our face. And this is the method I'm going to be using throughout this hair. And when I get to the front of the hair, I will see you beautifuls. So as you can see that I'm not dropping the hair right away after putting in my curls. I'm letting it cool down for some minutes. This technique will allow the curls to last longer. So this is me done with my curls, and because I don't like my curls to be too thick, I'm going to be combing it out with my fingers. how you can curl your short wig or your short hair. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can always get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.